Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two money transfer service platforms, which is Taptap Send and LemFi. So let's dive into it. So talking about Taptap Send, Taptap Send make money transfer simple with a wide global coverage, including Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. It's known for its reliability, decent exchange rate, and general smooth transaction, while LemFi, however, focused mainly on Africa, offering a near mid-market exchange rate and often no transfer fee, which makes it one of the most cheapest options if your transfer are Africa bound. But both apps are fast, mobile friendly, and designed for convenience. The downside with Taptap Send is that some users report delay and slower customer support during issues, while LemFi is cheaper and has mixed reviews. Some users experience blocked account or poor issues resolution. And overall, if you want a broader coverage and consistency, Taptap Send is the safer choice. But if your priority is low cost transfer to Africa, LemFi gives you better value, provided you are okay with its support limitation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the button and subscribe for more videos.